Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of the blood orange. With its mesmerizing deep red hues and distinctive flavor, the blood orange not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also packs a powerful nutritional punch. Join us as we uncover the incredible health benefits that this unique fruit has to offer. Throughout history, this citrus fruit has been celebrated for its rich antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that play a crucial role in enhancing our overall well-being. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of flavor and wellness, keep watching as we explore the myriad benefits of blood oranges. It's time to squeeze the most out of life with the goodness of this extraordinary fruit. Skin health is an important aspect of overall well-being, and blood oranges can contribute to skin health through various nutrients and antioxidants they contain. They are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in the production of collagen. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain the elasticity, structure, and firmness of the skin. Adequate collagen levels contribute to smoother, more youthful-looking skin. The antioxidants in blood oranges help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. Exposure to the sun's ultraviolet rays can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants like blood oranges can provide a level of natural sun protection. The vitamin C content can help improve skin texture by promoting even skin tone and reducing the appearance of blemishes, dark spots, and scars. What's more, blood oranges are a source of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for heart health. Fiber helps lower levels of LDL cholesterol by binding to cholesterol molecules and promoting their excretion from the body. This can help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. The antioxidants, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, have been linked to improved heart health. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in the development of heart diseases. Some studies suggest that the flavonoids found in blood oranges, such as hesperidin, may support healthy blood vessel function by improving endothelial function. This can contribute to better blood flow and reduced risk of arterial stiffness. Another research suggests that the consumption of blood oranges may help reduce triglyceride levels in the blood. Elevated triglycerides are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Blood oranges contain electrolytes like potassium, which is essential for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Adequate potassium intake can help prevent irregular heartbeats. Blood oranges can also contribute to blood sugar regulation. They have a relatively low glycemic index, which means they have a slower and gentler impact on blood sugar levels when compared to high GI foods. Consuming low GI foods can help prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. The fiber and antioxidants in blood oranges are linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Fiber improves insulin sensitivity and helps manage blood sugar levels, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress that can contribute to insulin resistance. While blood oranges do contain natural sugars, their fiber content helps moderate the release of sugars into the bloodstream. This prevents sharp spikes in blood sugar levels, providing a steadier source of energy. Blood oranges contain polyphenols, including flavonoids, that may help regulate blood sugar levels. These compounds can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, contributing to better glycemic control. But wait, there is more. The antioxidants present in blood oranges protect cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to the development of various types of cancers. By preventing DNA damage and mutations, antioxidants play a crucial role in cancer prevention. Blood oranges contain a variety of phytochemicals, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. These compounds may interfere with processes that contribute to cancer growth and spread. The anthocyanins found in blood oranges have been specifically associated with a reduced risk of certain types of breast cancer. These compounds may help regulate estrogen levels, which are linked to breast cancer development. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Blood oranges can contribute to eye health. They contain beta-carotene, a type of carotenoid that the body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. It supports the function of the retina and helps prevent night blindness. Lutein and zeaxanthin, these two carotenoids are specifically known for their role in eye health. They accumulate in the retina and help filter harmful high-energy blue light, which can contribute to the development of age-related macular degeneration and other eye issues. Additionally, blood oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. Fiber adds bulk to your diet without adding excess calories, making you less likely to overeat and aiding in portion control. The combination of water content and dietary fiber can promote a sense of satiety, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals or overindulging in calorie-dense foods. Incorporating blood oranges as a snack can be a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. Their natural sweetness can satisfy cravings without the excessive calories and added sugars found in many processed treats. Blood oranges offer a balance of carbohydrates, fiber, and other nutrients that can contribute to a well-rounded diet. A diverse diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods supports overall health and weight management. Lastly, including blood oranges in your diet can help establish a regular digestive routine, which is crucial for maintaining comfort and preventing digestive discomfort. The fiber in blood oranges can help alleviate constipation by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing stool from becoming too hard or dry. Dietary fiber serves as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Blood oranges contain enzymes that can aid in digestion. These enzymes may help break down food more efficiently and reduce the strain on the digestive system. So there you have it, our journey through the delightful world of blood oranges and their incredible health benefits. So, our friends, the next time you peel open a blood orange, remember that you're not just enjoying a burst of flavor, you're embracing a natural source of wellness. Here's to more juicy moments, more colorful days, and more reasons to smile with each bite. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.